I wouldn't expect you can find a place like this so close to Istanbul. This morning I'm wandering through Belgrad Belgrad Forest, named after the village next to it because many people from Belgrad came to what was once Constantinople, obviously now Istanbul, when the Ottoman Empire took over in 1521. And it is so beautiful. I'm here on a Tuesday morning, so there's not really anybody here. How to get here from Istanbul? I woke up early at around 5:30 or so. I headed to the subway station and hopped on the M2 Yeni Kapı Hacı Osman line. Once I got off at Hacı Osman station, I took this bus right nearby, which takes you to the entrance of the forest. It took probably an hour 40 minutes to get here from Istanbul, but we've arrived to Belgrad Forest. I would like to make it to the walking and running track, which is like 2.5k from here, so I guess I'll go this way. Look at how blue the sky is today. Merhaba. It rained a bit the past few days, making it a bit muddy, but that's okay. I want to get to the track, but I think the only way to get there that I know of is by going on the road. The trails are not really marked here, which is kind of fun. You can make your own DIY adventure. Translates as that guy being honored there was some idealist of the forest with an unparalleled love of the forest. There are a number of historic structures here. This must be the entrance to the course. It looks kind of so official. Perfect 14 degrees this morning. Some workout machines here. It's almost sort of raining this morning, or I can't tell if it's just the dew from the other days coming down. Which way do I go? Should I go clockwise or anti-clockwise? I will just go. The morning light is just perfect today. Apparently there are 9 kind of forest parks within this whole forest. I guess we can find wolves as well. They also mark each side of the course to tell you how far you've gone. There are actually so many of these water fountains in this park. I don't know how fresh the water it is or if it's drinkable, but I don't know. It seems to be, right? It looks like it just comes fresh from like a stream of some sort. Maybe it's filtered, but probably to be safe I shouldn't take the risk. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a bonfire. This course is literally perfect. It's just some gentle rolling hills, no sounds of cars. Oh, my ideal place. Well, I got a bit lost on the last 2k of that loop, so I'm just taking the road back to the beginning of the loop. As expected, that kind of thing would happen. There aren't really any cars on the road, so I will just go on the shoulder of it. Teşekkür ederim. They're actually quite good, but extremely drying in the same way that a saltine is extremely drying.